Today, let's understand this card in the simplest way possible. If you look at this card, you will see a large moon in the sky, and it appears to be looking down towards the earth. This shows the influence of emotions, intuition, and the subconscious mind. Below, you can see two animals, a dog and a wolf, both looking up at the moon. The dog represents the controlled and familiar part of the mind, while the wolf represents the wild and instinctive side. Both are reacting to the same moon, showing inner confusion and uncertainty. In the center, you can see a path that goes between two towers and leads towards the mountains. The two towers show that there is a path in front of you. But even though the direction exists, it is not very clear where it is leading. At the bottom, you can see water, and from it, a crayfish is coming out. This represents something rising from the subconscious, hidden thoughts, fears, or emotions coming to the surface. The water is deep and still, showing emotional depth and uncertainty. The overall atmosphere of this card feels unclear and mysterious. It is not about danger, but about not seeing things fully clearly. This card is about illusion, confusion, and the subconscious. It shows that not everything is as it appears, and there may be things hidden beneath the surface. This is the Moon card. If this card comes upright, it shows confusion, illusion, or uncertainty. You may not be seeing things clearly at this time. If this card comes reversed, it shows clarity slowly returning. Hidden things may start to come to light. Yes or no. If this card comes upright, it is a no or unclear. If this card comes reversed, it is a yes, with clarity coming. Planet energy and chakra. The planet associated with this card is Moon, representing emotions, intuition, and the subconscious. The energy associated with this card is water, representing feelings, intuition, and inner depth. The chakra associated with this card is third eye chakra, representing intuition and inner awareness. Career studies. If this card comes upright in a career reading, it shows confusion or lack of clarity in your path. Things may not be as they appear, and there could be misunderstandings or hidden factors. You may feel unsure about decisions or not have full information at this time. If this card comes reversed, it shows clarity returning. Confusion starts to reduce, and you begin to understand your direction better. Love emotions. If this card comes upright in a love reading, it shows emotional confusion or uncertainty. There may be misunderstandings, doubts, or things not being clearly expressed. Not everything may be as it seems, and emotions can feel unclear or overwhelming. If this card comes reversed, it shows truth coming out. Confusion reduces, and emotions become clearer with time. Health. If this card comes upright in a health reading, it shows unclear or confusing symptoms. There may be difficulty understanding the exact issue, or something may not be fully diagnosed yet. It can also show stress, anxiety, or emotional imbalance. If this card comes reversed, it shows clarity. You may start understanding the issue better and move towards proper care or recovery. General guidance. If this card comes upright, do not rush decisions. Take time to understand the situation clearly. If this card comes reversed, trust the clarity that is coming. Things will start making sense soon. So, not everything is as it appears. Sometimes, the path is unclear. So that you learn to trust your inner guidance.